Oh my god. Alright. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna hit up some more vending machine locations. You guys already know. I wanna try and hit up like 5 to 8 range, somewhere in there. The reason I say that number is because there's 5 together, and then if I go a little bit past that, there's 3 more that are all real close together. Depending on the time, I'll be able to knock those out. It's 9:03 right now, so hopefully I have time to hit those up. I don't have any products with me. Literally the only thing I have in the back is some Knott's cookies and some Big Texas cinnamon rolls. Definitely got to load up today.
Steady commercial work in.
Alright, I've been wanting to start listening to podcasts again and reading again, because I used to be in the habit of reading and listening to podcasts and stuff, but then they just kind of fell off. But right now I'm starting up a new podcast, I'm starting up a new book, an audio book. I'm listening to Crushing It by Gary Vee. If anyone wants to read it or listen to it, the audiobook is on Audible. I'm not sponsored by Audible, but reading and listening to audiobooks can help expand your mindset and overall help you in business or starting a business or overcoming obstacles that maybe you have in yourself. I just recommend it. Now I'm at Sam's Club, and yeah, I'm gonna spend some money. Gosh dang it. I left Sam's Club. I spent $238.97, I believe it was. Hopefully we make more than that today and we can be profitable. I spent a pretty good, I bought a pretty good amount of products. See you guys at the first location. Alright, that location did alright. Actually, it did pretty bad, but maybe $30, but on to location 2. Alright, that location was about like the first one. Let's see how location 3 does. Alright, here's what that location did. I didn't film inside. There was so many people in there. But here it is. On to location 4. Alright, that location absolutely killed it. I did not film in there. I'm leaving it right now. And yeah, pretty fat stack out of that one. I'll show you guys the money when I stop here. I'm going to location 5, I believe, right now. Alright, here was, I think location 4. Pretty nice stack, I must say. Lots of coins as well. And let's see how this location does. We're at location 5 right now.
2 seconds later.
Alright, I didn't film in that one either. That one was crazy. Did this. About like I mean, location 5 did this. It was kind of like location 4. Both did pretty good. Yeah. Heading to location 6. Alright, leaving location 6, as you guys saw. It was alright. But yeah, I'm just going to 6 locations today. The other 2, I can hit up on Monday or something. We're gonna go home, count up the money, and I'm gonna hit up those other 2 locations like Monday or something, because it's Friday today that I'm filming this. That's the video that's gonna be up on Sunday, the one you're watching right now. I'm thinking out loud, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright, so we are home. I am with my girl, Alyssa. Looking cute. Double cheeked up on that.
Oh my god.
But we are counting the money now. I'm going to let you guys know how much we made off of 6 locations. Yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, location number 1 made $36 after 2 weeks. Alright, location number 2 made $40.40 after 2 weeks. Location number 3 made $60.60 after 2 weeks. Alright, location number 4 did $99.55 after 2 weeks. So close to 100, less than 50 cents away.
And look, we got $1.
Oh yeah, and we got a dollar coin, which is pretty cool. That's like my that's our 4th one that we've gotten, which is cool. Alright, location number 5 did $83.65 after 2 weeks. 43. Alright, and the last location made $68.55, and we got another dollar coin. Looking pretty cool. So now, here's all the money right here. We're going to add it up and get you guys the totals right now. Alright, we added everything up, and today, off of 6 locations, we got the money right here. We made $388.75 today, and we spent about $230 on product, I believe. So what's that? Minus 230. $158 profit. Not too bad. I worked like 6 hours today, I think. Actually, I worked 5 hours today. Divide that by 5. $31 an hour. $32 really. Not that bad. And it was what? 388.75. So to find our average today per location, divide that by the 6 locations that we went to. $65 average. That's awesome. Super happy with that. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Me and Alyssa will see you guys in love you guys. Peace.
Oh my god. I'm gonna laugh. Are you serious? That's gonna be funny when Benny tears that